You state your name and where you're from.
My name's Megan. I'm from Portland, Oregon.
And Megan, what brought you to Paititi?
I came to Paititi to rediscover myself. I came to Paititi to reorganize myself, to understand how I fit into this world and am a part of it and can contribute to it.
What aspects of Paititi's approach did you find beneficial or that really resonated with you?
I really feel the practicality of this place. Having tools that I can take with me is really helpful. That it feels like it's not some kind of external process, ethereal, non-approachable. Instead, it's breath work, which is something I can do at home. It's qigong, something I can do at home. It's loving-eyed meditation. It's meditation and mantra, and all of those things are really grounding and are tools that I will be able to practice now that I have a solid foundation of practicing them over a month and more to take with me beyond. So on a practical level, also living in a community and working gardens and being connected with nature. Not that I wasn't doing that before, but on a much larger scale. It feels, practical approaches are really practical.
Did the Embody True Nature retreat present any challenges for you in this month?
Yes. I guess, the more you face yourself, the more I faced myself, the more challenging it got. And so there's a certain amount of work that it takes to face yourself: bravery, patience, persistence, love, and all of those things. In some respect, I think I now have a new relationship with those. They're not just words, they're feelings, and feeling all those things to help me face myself. It's hard, it's hard to feel, I think for me, like I deserve them. And so coming to a new reality of facing myself and allowing that expression of myself to be present as much as possible. Knowing that there's nothing worth getting disturbed about. That's hard, but I'm willing to do the work, and so in that respect, it was a delightful challenge. And it is, the work just begins now. Here we are at the beginning of this very moment, right now.
Did you find the end results worth the challenges?
Pardon?
The end results were they worth the challenges?
Absolutely. Yeah. And again, it's hard for me to kind of conceptualize the word result, because another key element of practice of this place in general is that the journey is the destination. So there's no result. We're just here, being with what is, whatever it is. And even though that can be kind of a cold splash of reality, they'll wake you up. So the result is just the present moment, and I'm very happy to be here in this present moment right now.
How do you see yourself integrating these lessons when you return home?
I've got a lot of work to do. A big part of this practice for me was reorienting my past and how I look at my past, and the relationships that I have through the remembrance practice, which was another practical application that I can take with me. The idea of kind of remembering my past and not allowing previous disturbances or traumas to dictate my relationship with the future and the present. That is going to be a key practice for me, where I'm not bound by the traumas of my past anymore. It's also still a work in progress, but I think that's just how life is. That'll be how it is forever. But so in that respect, just again, letting the present moment have its own thing instead of kind of letting it get trapped in that fear-based or scarcity mentality will be one of the biggest practical applications of this last month for me.
Is there anything else you'd like to share for anybody who might be coming to Nitian in the future?
Yeah. Well, as I said with that last comment, I think a huge takeaway for me is how much healing happens here. Before this retreat, I was unable to see the traumas of my childhood in a beneficial way. To see them now in this light of knowing that they're what brought me here and they're what made me who I am, and they presented forms of love to me that I was unable to recognize as love before today, before now. It has brought me just an abundance of gratitude for my story, and kind of also allowed me to let go of my story. And yeah, you know, the greatest forms of love come in the scariest places. And sitting in those scary places in a safe container has changed my life. I feel like very loved, loveful, loving version of myself. And I feel like I have embodied a new definition of love. And I'm really excited to share that love. And I'm really grateful to have discovered that